Sophie and I spent a day at the old McDonald farm near Rapid City in our state of South Dakota. We saw lots of animals, both adults and babies. Come with us as we enjoy our memories of the day.
They're so gentle, they tickle. Here, watch mommy feed the itty bitty.
We're feeding the goats?
Oh. Do you hear the sound? Here, come here, let me lift you up. Maybe you can pet him. Come here.
After feeding the baby lambs and goats in the barn, we went outside to see the other animals in their pens. The first animals were alpacas, which are kind of like small llamas. After the llamas, we saw donkeys, ponies, and big horses. The big horses were super friendly, and they liked to be petted. The sheep really liked the food pellets I had, and they got very pushy. Sophie let me feed them and preferred to stay back.
Oh my gosh, that's the cutest thing. Here it comes. She's quite happy to come.
We made friends with a little goat who decided to follow us around.
You gonna tell him to sit again? Keep away.
Come, go. Come, go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go watch the baby.
Go.
Baby cow.
And then came the birds. They had chickens, ducks, geese, and even turkeys.
Do you want to feed her? Sophie, here, take some. Sophie, take some. Yeah?
Ta-da!
Stop. Hang on a moment. Hang on. The tractor stalled.
The throttle is You're our little guy. I want to see you put through that thing. I'll be darned. Yeah, that's how you got in and out. There was even a fun little train that Sophie could ride to take a tour around all the outside pens so she could see the animals.
Can you say hi to the sheep? Good job, Sophie. You having fun?
How? Hey, Chi-Chi. Hi, Chi-Chi. Hey, Chi-Chi, Mommy.
Steer your train.
Thanks for coming along on a ride with Sophie to see the animals on Old MacDonald's farm.